Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the Fortnite Win64 client error code, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the Epic Games launcher. Once the Epic Games launcher is open, you can make your way over to library, and then from library look for Fortnite, hit the 3 horizontal dots, go over to manage, and then go over to verify files. Now what this basically does is that if there are any issues, for example corrupt or missing files, it will fix that issue. And once you hit verify files, you can X out, and then you can go ahead and start up the game and the error code should be fixed. The second method you guys can do is just simply try restarting your PC. That can also help fix the issue. And then the third thing that you guys can do is before opening up Fortnite or before opening up Epic Games Launcher, look for Epic Games Launcher on the desktop, hit run as an administrator, and open it up this way. Once you do these things, you guys should be good to go and you're all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.